Hey there, marketing enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore some mind-blowing examples of revolutionary AI marketing campaigns. These real-life examples will showcase how businesses have leveraged the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to create innovative and impactful marketing strategies. So, if you're ready to be inspired, let's dive right in. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we approach marketing. By harnessing AI technologies, businesses can gather valuable insights, enhance personalization, and optimize their campaigns for maximum impact. Today, we'll take a closer look at some incredible AI marketing campaigns that have revolutionized the industry. Let's start with our first example. Company X, an e-commerce giant, utilized AI algorithms to optimize their pricing strategy. By analyzing various factors such as demand, competition, and customer behavior, they dynamically adjusted their prices in real time. This allowed them to maximize revenue while remaining competitive in the market. The results were astounding. Company X saw a significant increase in sales and profitability, all thanks to the power of AI-driven pricing optimization. This campaign exemplifies how AI can transform pricing strategies and drive business success. Now, let's move on to Company Y, a leading online retailer that implemented AI-powered chatbots for personalized customer interactions. These intelligent chatbots analyzed customer data, preferences, and purchase history to deliver tailored product recommendations and support. The impact was incredible. Company Y experienced a significant increase in customer engagement, higher conversion rates, and improved customer satisfaction. By leveraging AI chatbots, they were able to create personalized experiences at scale, driving customer loyalty and boosting their bottom line. Our final example takes us to Company Z, a media streaming platform that leveraged AI to provide predictive content recommendations. By analyzing user behavior, viewing history, and preferences, they offered personalized content suggestions to each individual user. The results were astonishing. Company Z experienced a significant increase in user engagement, longer viewing times, and reduced churn rates. The AI-driven predictive content recommendations ensured that users always found something they loved, enhancing their overall streaming experience. In conclusion, these real-life examples of revolutionary AI marketing campaigns demonstrate the immense potential of AI in transforming marketing strategies. From dynamic pricing optimization to chatbot-powered personalization and predictive content recommendations, AI is reshaping the way businesses connect with their customers. As marketers, it's crucial for us to embrace the power of AI and explore innovative ways to leverage it in our campaigns. By integrating AI technologies, we can drive better results, enhance customer experiences, and stay ahead in this rapidly evolving digital landscape. That's it for today's video. I hope these real-life examples of revolutionary AI marketing campaigns have inspired you to think outside the box and explore the possibilities of AI in your own strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content on the latest trends and strategies in marketing. Thank you for watching.